This is letter G. G is for grapes.
Let's see how Tim is painting with bubble wrap printing.
Hi, Tim here. I dipped the bumpy bubble wrap into my violet paint. Now, I press it onto the white paper. Look, my grapes have bubbles. It is so much fun.
This is letter Q.
Q is for queen. Lily is making a beautiful crown today.
I am using shiny stickers and glitter to decorate my queen's crown. Look how it sparkles. You can make yours at home too.
This is letter B. B is for ball.
I am making a colorful ball using tearing and roasting. I am tearing these bright origami sheets into small pieces. Now, I roast and crumble them together to make a textured ball. Squeeze it tight.
This is letter P.
P is for penguin. We are all making a penguin paper puppet together. We are all making penguin puppets. Stick your paper penguin onto an ice cream stick. Waddle, waddle. Great job, friends.